This 2021 Starcraft Super Lite 212 FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Starcraft is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Starcraft Super Lite 212 FB is 4,820 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.